In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add LinkedIn to Microsoft Authenticator. This process will help enhance the security of your LinkedIn account by enabling two-step verification. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's official website. If you're familiar with LinkedIn, you probably have it bookmarked, but if not, simply type linkedin.com into the address bar, and you'll be directed to the homepage. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, the next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will take you to the LinkedIn login page. Here, enter your credentials, your email or phone number and your password to access your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on LinkedIn's home feed. Take a moment here if you'd like to glance through any notifications or updates. However, our primary focus is on securing your account. So let's move on to the next step, which is accessing your profile. Locate the Me icon, which is usually represented by your photo or initials at the top navigation bar, and click it. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option for Settings and Privacy. Select it to open LinkedIn Settings. This is where you'll find all the options relating to your account management, privacy settings, and security preferences. In the Settings menu, look for the Sign In and Security section. Clicking this option will lead you to where you can manage your login credentials and security settings. Now, we're getting closer to setting up two-step verification. Within the Sign In and Security section, look for and click on Two-Step Verification. This feature is essential, as it adds an extra layer of security to your LinkedIn account by requiring a verification step when you sign in from a new device or browser. As a best practice, enabling two-step verification is highly recommended because it helps protect your account from unauthorized access, especially if someone else manages to get hold of your password. Once you enable this feature, LinkedIn will guide you on adding an authentication method. Here is where the Microsoft Authenticator comes into play. Follow the prompts provided by LinkedIn to link your account to the Microsoft Authenticator app. An excellent choice for managing two-step verification. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an extra layer of security to your LinkedIn account using Microsoft Authenticator. Remember, keeping your online account secure is crucial in today's digital age. So enable two-step verification whenever possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.